Welcome back now, crew. Welcome back. Look at my nails, y'all. Look at my nails. Look at my nails. I know you're like, what? She just did them. She literally just did her nails a few days ago. And look, no polish. They're off. I'll get to why I'm doing my nails over in just a second. But first, I want to show you the new collection from Divalicious. From Divalicious. These colors are bomb. And I don't even know if they're out yet. Ooh, Diana, don't kill me. Don't kill me. But look at this color, y'all. Oh my God, look at this color. Oh my God. Wait till you guys see this color on my skin tone. Like, wait till you guys see it. That is gorgeous. Like, that one is one of my favorites. Here's another one that I think would be very pretty on me. And these are rubber gels. These are not regular gel polishes, y'all. This is a rubber gel, which means it's thicker, it's going to last longer, and they got pigment for days. They got pigment for days. The bottles are adorable. I love the little peekaboo window on top so you can see exactly what color is in the bottle. Love, love, love that. That's probably one of my favorite features. I also want to point out these bottle sizes are 15 milliliters. They're not like the small little 7 milliliter tiny little bottles. These are nice big full bottle of polishes. These are thick. You'll see because if I keep gassing this product up, y'all are gonna say, oh, it's because she's your friend. So I'm just going to let the video speak for itself, and that's just that. I'll just let the video speak for itself, y'all, because this collection is dope and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. All right, y'all, so the colors that I chose today is this beautiful glitter, and it says 3704 on the bottle, but the name of it is NIKKILICOUS. Do you hear what I say? I got a whole color named after me, NIKKILICOUS. So of course I'm using that one. And then I'm using her white. I'm using this purple. This purple is 140. It's beautiful. And then I'm also going to use this pink. And the pink color is 894. And I just want you guys to know that it took me forever to figure out what colors I wanted to use, but I think I did a really good job. So I'm just going to apply it to this plastic. Any piece of plastic will work for this. But before I show you guys what I'm doing, make sure that you take the time to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed and hit the bell so you know when I upload next. All right. So now that we got all that out the way, you guys, all you do is apply the polish to any piece of plastic. I think I might have even found this plastic like, on something that I ordered or bought, and I just ripped it out the package, took the plastic, and voila, I have it for nail art. So yeah, I'm sure you guys bought something from Amazon recently. It's wrapped in plastic, right? Tear that plastic off and use it for nail art. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, so all I did was apply the polish to the plastic. You saw me smash it together, and that's going to give me enough for 2 nails. So then I just took my small little art brush. Any art brush will work with this, guys. I'll make sure to leave some art brushes in my Amazon storefront link below. So if you guys are looking for art brushes, click my Amazon storefront link, go to the area that says brushes, and I'll put some art brushes there for you guys so that it's easy for you to find it. So anyway, all I'm doing is scooping up the gel, y'all, with this brush, and then I'm plopping it on the nail. Hello, swirl nail made easy. Now, this is not the first time that I've done this here on this channel. You guys have seen me do it before, but for those of you that are new, voila. If you did not know how to swirl a nail, y'all, if you did not know how to swirl a nail, and this is your first time seeing this technique, well, you're welcome. You're welcome. I feel like I need a thumbs up from that. Like, if this is the first time of you seeing this, I feel like you should just give me a thumbs up just for that. Just go ahead and do it. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And I will greatly, greatly appreciate it. So thank you in advance. So let me repeat what I did, especially for the new people who are just seeing this for the first time. All I did was take the gel polish and I plopped it on my plastic. Any plastic will work. I smashed it together. That's going to give you enough for 2 nails. I have my mini art brush and I scooped up the color. and placed it on the nail, and this is what it looks like. I feel like it gives you a beautiful marble effect with no effort. Now I'm going to flash cure that. I have this, oh my God, this lamp is dope. I love this lamp. It is a mini lamp from Makartt. You turn it on right on the side, and then it has two modes. It has a 30-second mode and a 60-second mode. My favorite feature of this lamp, y'all, is that it's cordless. I love it. It's great for those of you who don't have a lot of cord room, or you're not sitting next to an outlet, or if you're a travel tech. It's really, really perfect for travel techs, because when you're at someone's home, you might not be right by an outlet, or whatever the case is, the cord might be too short. So I just really feel like I love cordless items. I really do. And this one is no exception. It works great. And I just really do love it. Makartt, you did a really good job. I feel like the handle is great for you to hold it. I haven't had any issues with curing my nails. And I just really like it. If you guys are in the market for a mini lamp, check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box. And I do have a coupon code, so I'll leave my coupon code there as well. So I'm doing the same thing that I did on my thumb, on my middle finger, scooping that polish up and just plopping it on the nail. It's really no right or wrong. And in fact, if you didn't want to scoop up all 4 colors at once, you could scoop up maybe just 2 or 3 of them, place that on the nail, and then go from there. But I like scooping up all 4. And in fact, if you wanted to add a 5th or 6th color, you can get away with that as well. I think a little bit more glitter would have set this set off, but I love it so far. I really do. I love the purple. I love the pink. I love how that white just comes in there and just sets it. Oh, it's just so pretty. It's really, really pretty to me. So now I'm just feathering it down with the brush, and you'll see why very, very shortly. But this is what it looks like. I like it. I really do. So let me go ahead and flash cure my middle finger just like I did the thumb. And I'm showing you that you don't even have to hold the lamp. Look at that. You could just lay it down and stick your finger in there. Like, how freaking perfect is that? All right, so now for my other fingers, I think for my ring finger and my pointer, I'm going to use this beautiful purple pink iridescent glitter polish, because the name of this polish is NIKKILICOUS. Hello, NIKKILICOUS. Hello. That is the best name I've ever heard for a polish in my entire life. And it is now my favorite color. NIKKILICOUS is my favorite color of life. Hands down. Hands down. That's what it is. Okay, so I threw a little pink on my pinky, because we all know I love pink. We all know I love pink. So I did that, and I love it. I love it. I love it. So now I'm going in with a second coat, although I didn't need a second coat. And when I added the second coat, it did make the color darker, but I didn't need to do it. So if you guys prefer really thin nails, or you don't like to add second coats with your polish, you don't need to. You could definitely get away with one coat. All right, so I cured all my nails for full 60 seconds. All the gel polish is fully cured. Now you guys are looking at me like, girl, what are you doing? You putting acrylic on top of gel polish. Girl, what are you doing? Well, first of all, this is not my first time doing acrylic over gel polish. I did this last year, and I actually got the idea from Femi Beauty. I'm sure if you guys know me and you're watching me, you also watch Femi Beauty, and you've seen her do this before. I stole this from her last year, and it was a very good idea, especially for those of us who don't have a lot of acrylic powder, or you're not really good with doing nail art or nail designs with acrylic. You could go ahead and do it with the gel polish, right? Cure that in the lamp fully, and then pull out your acrylics and make the whole set look like you are a master at acrylics. It's a great dupe for people that don't have a lot of colored acrylics. A great dupe. So what I did, you guys saw me. You saw me do the swirl with the polish. It looks gorgeous. Diana, your colors are banging, right? And I think the swirl came out very nice. Now I'm treating this like a regular acrylic set. So I have that nude. Look at that. came out so nice. I have my nude acrylic, you guys, and all I did was apply it as if I was doing a regular ombre. That's all I'm doing. There's like nothing special at this point. You just plop it on the nail. No, let me not say plop. Let me not say plop. I take the word plop back. Let's just rewind. Remove the word plop. Okay, so what we're going to do is place it on the nail, because I feel like if I say plop, someone out there is literally going to plop it on the nail and then splash. The acrylic goes everywhere and then it's a hot mess and then you're mad at me. So let's not plop it anywhere. Let's just place it nicely on the nail, and then we're going to pat and brush it over the polish ever so slightly to give it that ombre effect. Okay, so let me just repeat that real quick. Once you apply your design with gel polish and you fully cure it, you're going to treat the rest of the set like an acrylic set, just as if you did the art with acrylic. Now, why would someone do this? Why is this even a thing? Well, you have to think, not everyone out there has all the colors that they need in acrylic. Not everyone is as fortunate, right? Because acrylic could be more pricey in some cases than gel polish. So if that's you, or if you just don't know how to do acrylic art, you don't know how to do a swirl nail with acrylic, right? You could get away with doing it with gel because gel is more forgiving. You can play with that gel until you get it right. Whereas acrylic, once you put that acrylic on the nail, the countdown begins and then boom, it's going to dry up on you. It's going to cure before you had time to even finish your nail art. And for beginners, that's very, very frustrating. And sometimes you just want to give up. So try it with gel polish, because you could play and you can manipulate that swirl until you feel like it's perfect. Let me know in the comment section, have you guys tried this technique before, gel polish under acrylic? If you have, let me know why you did it like that. Was it just an experiment, or did you just not have the colors that you needed in acrylic? Or do you just not know how to do art with acrylic and you felt like gel would be easier? Let me know below why you've done this technique before, if you have, and if not, do you feel like you're going to try it, or are you like, hell no, that look crazy, I'm not doing that? Let me know in the comment section below. It's okay either way. If you like this idea, it's cool. If you hate this idea, it's also cool. It's no skin off my back. I'm just curious as to know, so let's get the conversation popping in the comment section below. I also want to point out that after I was done with my ombre, I encapsulated everything in clear. I also encapsulated the plain nails in clear. Now, why did I do that? Because I wanted the whole set to look like it was acrylic, okay? I wanted the whole thing to look like I did colored acrylic. No one's going to know that I did this with gel polish, okay? Just a little trick, just a little dupe, if you will, and I think it's going to look gorgeous when I'm done. So now you guys can tell that I'm filing it, and at this point you file it just like you would if it was acrylics. Right? There's no difference at this point. So I'm filing it, and I'm using a safety drill bit, and this is a fine safety drill bit. If you have a smooth application of acrylic or gel, you could use a fine drill bit to smooth everything out, and it will come out beautiful. If your acrylic application or your gel application was a little bit lumpy, then you might want to use a medium grit sanding band or a medium grit drill bit, okay? So just so you know, I'm using a fine one now, but if a fine one doesn't work for you and you have to upgrade to a medium, that's okay as well. So after I filed the nails and I cleaned off all the dust and filing with my alcohol solution, I applied the Divalicious top coat, y'all. This is still one of my favorite top coats. I have a ton of top coats. This one is still one of my favorites. It's thick, it's creamy, and the shine lasts a long time. I think the nails are so beautiful. I just really love this set. I just really do. It was so easy to do, so fun to do, and different. So now I literally just thought about, you know what? let's do some chrome powder. So I applied the top coat, and then as it was in the oven baking, as I was baking my nails in this oven here, I thought about chrome. So I was like, ooh, cool. Let's add chrome to the pinky. Let's add chrome to the pinky. And I got so excited. So here we are. The chrome powder that I'm using is from Sparkle & Co. Be sure to check out my description box. I'll leave links and coupon codes there. All right, so let me fill you guys in, because if you guys remember, I just did my nails like 3 days ago, and here I am with a whole new set on my right hand, and you're like, girl, why are you redoing your nails so early? Well, oh my gosh, I felt like crap, y'all. I felt like shit. So Diana brought me an exclusive collection, right? I have 2 exclusive collections from the one and only Divalicious herself. And did I use any of her colors on my set? No, I didn't. I was being a horrible friend. I felt like crap. Like, I was in my bed and I was just looking at my nails, those aqua nails that I had just did. And I was like, oh my God, these are beautiful, beautiful. And then it just dawned on me, girl, why didn't you use any of Diana's gels? Like, what the hell is wrong with you? I went into my nail room and I removed my nails. Like, what? I would feel horrible if I gave someone an exclusive collection of mine and they didn't use it. I would feel horrible. Like, I would feel like they didn't appreciate my thoughtfulness. So I was like, I didn't want her to feel like I didn't appreciate her. So I did my nails over. So that's that. Now, speaking of appreciation, my nail crew member spotlight today goes to CATHY WELLMAN. Hey, CATHY! Hi! I freaking love you, CATHY. CATHY is on all my videos, girl. I don't even have to say I hope CATHY sees this. And I don't have to say I hope CATHY responds, because CATHY's always here. CATHY's always responding. Hey, girl, hey. Hey, CATHY. I'll leave CATHY's link to her YouTube page in my description box. Check her out and leave her a hey, girl, hey. Tell her Nikki sent ya. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.